In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to your bank account. We'll walk through the process on the Wise mobile app, keeping it clear and simple so you can move your money with confidence. Before we begin, make sure your app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and you have your bank details handy. It also helps to glance at the fees and exchange rates so there are no surprises. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone. From the home screen, tap Send. This is where all transfers begin. Next, choose the country where the receiving bank account is located. Picking the correct country is important because it determines the banking network and the exact information Wise needs for that destination. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. You'll see an estimated delivery time, fees, and the exchange rate if you're moving money across currencies. Take a moment to review these details so you know exactly what will arrive. Select the recipient currency. This should match the currency of the bank account you're sending to. For example, if you're sending to a local account in that country, choose the local currency so the transfer lands without extra conversion on the bank side. Tap Add Recipient. On some versions of the app, you may see an additional prompt, so tap Add Recipient again to proceed. When asked how you want to send, choose Bank Details. This ensures the money goes straight into a bank account rather than a Wise balance or card. You'll be asked to specify who the recipient is. If you are moving money to your own external bank account, select the option for yourself. If you're sending to someone else, choose the option that matches. Enter the recipient's email address. Wise uses this to send payment updates and receipts, so make sure it's accurate. Provide the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on the bank account. Consistency helps avoid delays. Select the bank name if the app requests it. In some countries, you may need to choose from a list or provide a bank code, then enter the bank account number carefully. It's a good idea to double check each digit. If prompted, add the city associated with the account holder or the bank location, as required by local regulations. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. You'll see a summary with the amount, fees, exchange rate if applicable, and the estimated arrival time. Review your details one last time, and the app will guide you through completing the transfer. That's all you need to transfer money from Wise to your bank account.